In this video, we'll take a few moments for those of us who don't have R installed on the machines, and we'll find it and install it. R is used extensively in science and industry and in our course. I'll try to fit my browser here to our window. So nothing fancy. If you've ever downloaded software from the internet before, this will be within your wheelhouse, as they say. I am going to search for R. I happen to be using Chrome and Google. You could use any browser and any search engine you like. And it brings me rather quickly to r-project.org. So you can tool around here. There's really a wealth of information. There's a vibrant user community in R. I'm going to go to the CRAN site for my download. You'll pick a mirror which is reasonable for you, fairly close for efficient downloading. I'm in the United States, and so I'm going to go to Dallas. I'm in Utica, New York right now, where it's very cold. So I'll go to Dallas, Texas, where it's nice and warm. You'll have better reasons for making your choices. I'm going to download R for Windows. And you have a fair degree of freedom here in how you do it. I'm just going to pretend I'm installing R for the first time. R has a variety of funny names, bugs in your hair, world-famous astronaut. We'll see what they've named this one. Looks to be about 70 megabytes. I will open it, and I'll try to pull all of these pop-ups into our little recording window here. I'm trusting, so I'm hitting run. My computer complained a little bit, but there I go. I'm going to set up in English. And for our setup wizard, they'll ask me several questions, and I'll probably say yes to all of them. My team of lawyers has read this, so I feel like we can say next. And as I indicated, I'm going to be grabbing their defaults. I have no real reason to change any of these. I do like to create a quick launch icon. That should be about it. My machine is a couple years old. Your install might go a little faster or a little slower depending upon what your environment is. Once these files are extracted, the install will basically be complete, and we'll look at a quick demo. There are a variety of demos available in R. I'm going to grab the graphics demo, just because it's a nice one to start with. But you can find demos, for instance, if you're doing regression, you can find demos for linear modeling, etc. As we say, if you're new to R, you may not realize quite what an extensive community there is, and just how rich an environment it is, how much is out there for you. I'm done, so I'm going to finish my setup, and I'm going to take a moment and open R and try to adjust it into our window. As promised, R comes with silly names. This version of R is called Sincere Pumpkin Patch. Don't blame me. For the demos, you can see the sorts of demos that R has by typing demo with an open and closed parentheses. And you can do this at your leisure. I'm going to grab the demo in R for graphics as advertised. The first thing you're going to do with any time series you get, I hope, is graph it. And so there are very simple graphs that are available. A little bit more complicated. These box plots I have found to be really terrific when you're trying to explain statistics to an audience without a technical background. These seem to work very well. There you've got a random walk, 2 random walks. You could do a regression there. We'll be generating random numbers all semester. and some very famous data sets are available for you in R. That should be good. If you have any trouble getting R up and running, either consult our own Coursera course community, or there are extensive resources available for you on the internet. We've never lost anyone. Everybody has always been able to install R in my experience. So enjoy.